Hi! In front of me is ZTE Axon 20, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this ZTE. You need to begin by opening Settings. Now scroll down just a bit to access Security. Following that, click on Screen Lock and tap on the best login method for you, pattern, PIN or complex password. Now you need to create it. In order to redo it, choose Clear at the bottom left corner and enter it correctly. When you're ready, select Next at the bottom right corner. Now repeat it in order to confirm it and click on Confirm. As you can see now, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!